Now we'll come to the 17th question. That is, train A and train B are running on parallel tracks in the opposite directions with speeds of 36 km per hour and 72 km per hour respectively. A person is walking in train A in the direction opposite to its motion with a speed of 1.8 km per hour. Speed is in meter per second. Of this person as observed from train B will be close to, and we have to take the distance between the tracks as negligible and choose from the options given to us. Let's move to the solution. Now the solution is, we have these two trains coming towards each other. Train A coming towards train B at 36 km per hour, that is plus I cap direction, and train B is moving towards A in the minus I cap direction at 72 km per hour speed. So we have minus 1.8 I cap plus 36 I cap kilometer per hour, and minus 1.8 into 5 by 18 plus 36 into 5 by 18 in meter per second unit. That gives us minus 0.5 I cap plus 10 I cap meter per second is equal to 9.5 I cap meter per second. Now we have 9.5 I cap minus 20 I cap meter per second, that is equal to 29.5 meter per second I cap. Now this is our solution. That is the first part.